Guda Ghana celebrity ebenya a year emote. Ye kesiye. A year ebetutu abrepon, ebetutu politicians, ebetutu attitude for sena Atsu the course. And before be see so no, it is now be Bible temple who be free aba. Etinya abote edasu su yase. Enyame na meka and the sea of the nation I can't stop it. So whatever is about to fall in Ghana and the world, we have to bring it out. So I say, you can say, Pope, your Pope you who you know, your tissue say so su yase water form.
Eti
gudame do aso.
Come on, I'm sure. Now me say yen ko so fast no. Me o say go for break kwawu no. Nipa bebre dom because ye kokra wo say kwan no nyina adwo. Baby o dem say ka nipa betena no. Kwan no nyina ada den na ko so kwawu.
Se wo hu say kwawu no akoye festival bi a Ghana for atiase. Ana Ghana for so TB bi ase a sa na tie. Na de bi ameka say kwawu no kwawufuo no omo wundi brunya Africa, the whole Africa, and ka Easter, and I can say Didi Brunya. I say ka Brunya be say Easter.
Ade.
Because of gods of the land, afasha kesiye. E bi na kwawufuo ne ye no. Ente do Easter, kwawufuo na ko omekura ase. Sa. Ekofie, ko championifuo, egunsa, ekumwa, eya amamre na omo side asa back to city or any part of the world they are. No my day. Oma koye adwuma ene ade eti ema omodwuma sem omosika sem omobibi omoye bia no ehira ede ekoso so wonima gods of the land they own the land and asase no so na wote so atiase obetimi obo part ko tena wiem and the only angels be dane ba wote asase we so nko a o companies adwuma wo ye Oda asase so oka uchi asase so dear you can't take them out. If you try to take them out they have no option than to make you a poverty being. They have no option than to take your life anytime. They have no option than to treat you like animal because you don't want to respect them. They were there before you. They were there before you.
Yes.
You came to meet them and you will die, they will still be there. Generation upon generation upon generation, decades will come into this world, they will still be there. So we the century beings, we have to respect the gods from our mother's side and the father's side. Big time. And to call it there, ukobia, ukoji weni, obisu kobi, ofiko, okwaje blessing. Eba be diska papa bi, ebe bobra papa bi, odi kakra onya aye no, wakosi egwewie. Obaba so na nema so abasa wo wachi bosia na oje ya e be twon because the penifo say so wasu bosia bo a sebi wasu prema bo a na nya bosia so bosia de adwuma enti kwawfo ene kwadwuma fasa okwede wo bi guda me tu emi asantini ensuta de hye me etimi se ba ni Easter na metu kwan mi komi krom na me na nanom ne penifo so kotena ase ene se me honam wo na ntwa bi a me no motwa odwan bi a me no motwa akukọ bi a me no motwa na medidi omo osire bia omo da mame na ma saba back enti call for go do ma fast me say call Easter me ko bi da so many years those time me only more than 10 cars kwama anye call for ko bi da all my friends keep asking me why you know to go call why you know to go call obi ebusa me oh no I have that I know the reason and I know why me call me call normal day but any occasion say obi ekobi na me so me gina obi no yes sir so won ti amame na se you follow some fools and become more than fool you be a fool cry e ti call for no kwa o ma fa se no e ti call no di Easter e du blow yan on di bi oni blow yan ni asem Easter no aboabo ne normal no okoni kurom oni na busua akobon pa ya akoye do mbeye no ma sa aba sa amamre no that was Ghana amamre okay e say do 24 for kurom ene ebi nko enso bitimi twa ne kurom bo ekokwo enye prima fon ne prima kankan akoye da okwo ensa ba ne bi ni nkan ne bi nim okrom nsani wo okrom aduani ni ho say regi bia so pen festival say ko do time say ya ene ye ko dwaso ene ye ko agogo ene ye ko mampon ene ye ko voter ene ye ko ha omu na mu ho ba ko ni de ne de o ma fa ne personal enti wo ko a wo na wo ko aba beboka ko fo no mu fi wo no wo ko aba be diska papa bi simple
And mama just some bisa say this Easter because ajagraja ne ada sunsuma so for omu twitwa na ntwie ne mojanam ne ade but kama gods of the land they did deal we no when twa mojanam bia mo yisu mojanam ade
good question we don't go faithful infa
we dey answer say me mi rewura say me edwuma maka mi rewura
ensem we cheche mu a ensem beba by o say chire mu good gods of the land Oni pe bia oni gods of the land e dan no e ba no omo moja asema e ma abonten Kama family your big temple e wo ho ati ase e ba no moja asema e ma abonten so ati ase moja asema no kama adehie ye de ni na ade ma enkremofo no shake any limamfo no omo ku emwa no wia enwa no wia no mo the skin no egu enkremodem na ma enkremofo no so akoto so de abompaye abiribia na wache nam na ma malamfo ne ma bi ni ade no ma de o mawe so ati ase sa na ye de ye fa ma camera so embe de embe slota aboa no embe obi
emu ni vim ana
anye se ni vim ye wo mutu ye wakomutu ye wo mo a omo serve the gods of the land ene wo mo so a omo ni dwarfs enante onipa bia okum aboa our live camera so oni dwarfs and the daily tie say na temalefone ba TV so mo ka say multi dwarfs no they deal with dwarfs they do their things and onipa bia o twa na bosom dem na comfort dem eba media so no oni dwarfs and ye adwuma say gods of the land so oni antoa ana etian frama ana no go pobosom kese na ye adwuma utimi fa camera pon ra ho what you say uti fa camera any day ewura sa tina uti fa camera ewura ho asone uti fa camera ewura no mo so what you say but moti akonfo no omo no magye Africa aboso sisi a because moti akonfo no bitimi ko to se moti eton wo mo ye ton moti akotemale a be ton moti a ho ye be ton na ma ni a cho de obedi ene de ope time I saw the man de obeso ka che de obeso ye ma enti ama youth ni bebe na akototo to bi so omo ye malam it is obi slaughter and nam our bontina who are on dealing with or you can't come they are not called DBS. DBA will not put a camera in his strand say obi mehe the oil or no DBA will do that in this world. Just like the dwarf DBS, they do that. It's ye di kaya ye da ya mamre wie eguyensa aye bibia my gods of the land. No mum aduane de ye kwet mi di nia enti o se de aduane ba bonten na edom edi enti na eye kosua pe na da so no sanetie ye fa mojanam bia so nka ho bie sanetie enti no that is it. So what you say? What you say? Sanity.
I witnessed it in Matthias.
Sanity.
Because I was wondering.
Sanity.
I say Honorable Kennedy one cock. I don't know one cock.
Sir, Okon Kennedy Japan. Baby, will be a mechiano. And then I say for any team na we are for King Ebusheku we edicam by all the platform and then almost supported Kennedy Japan because they see from 2017 2018 they started say about the no and then yansafo be do support abirefeja dimu tintiman any omo makeka ka ho e chance we say they see ken e confirm enti tempana no mo ye dey omo T group no we are for King Ebusheku it is Ebusheku was there before all the other groups are papa the ni abre we yesu wo say obekon age Ghana we yesu wo say obebri ni mojani ama Ghana we yesu say sika wa brenya no onu kwantimi ni into one Ghana for ebe dia bom
and say osanko
one Ghana for ebe dan da bi call the say akohwifo ne call sabi an akohwifo ne call for na ka say omukro mu kom ya akohwifo ye chemu ye say o free call now call because of program it ay akohwisem because o free hono mo so ati ase eti okopeko onam na obo ne campaign yes sabi obi sufe ne nyame no no obi ni obi eti okopeko door to door campaign and on any delegate for any on my Ghana money pay the year eti on the say no ma say there okopeko na ni enje ho say amafo koye ekoye health work ni ade na Mamudu ba omi ametu ni fu say obegu ni ho ni ma so Ghana ha obeji din bo ne kwan ka otimi ma abonte be ka say bi say oni Mamudu ba omi oni motia oni motor comfort motor DBS and a dining and to me kind the deepest in the spiritual world entry no a surface on the man they watch the masses on the kasa on the modada no mamudu ba umia on train ho free presidential seat no no one jama alakas ene ya ka zekene Japan say alakas to oni message bia magana for alakas oni message bia magana for opese oni Ghana for kasa dia ene the deepest secret no part ni no on between na do magana for na Ghana for say the course ono so ontimi nye ba omia so entimi nye so both of them have to stay aside now Kennedy Japan ene sankofa John Dramani Mahama enfa boss wo kurumu a na ehu bema ne bema maka se mu ato Mamudu Bawumia president vice president on chie de ye ka no o hwe video de bia on twe ne ho firi ho ni age no eye good on twen na on ko sua de samre bie because ultimately handle Ghana he can't handle Ghana so all those people pushing himself on my contest no yeah the idea nation the gods of the land they have spoken. They have chosen the man in Japan years ago before vice president over be president edi eti we de guda ye twa so ye ba pa na nyabre one Ghana for edin komo
and dey me nyina so misa say wo ye sure say for sure honorable Ken obe win this seat no
guda empenifo say sebi agro ba ofie now so o bon continent ko hwe na akona bibi koye abontia na ye ne dey enye se me ye so me jam na so piti see I don't speak and go back. Volcano man, I speak with fire. I speak with fire. And those who believe me, believe me. Those who don't believe me, they are the one here. Those who believe me, no say they see a can and one no. It's the biggest cinema around the world. That is the media. That is the platform. Everybody palms our honor. Ufo da palm. If you see the obia palm here. So whatever will happen, the media will tell you. You don't need to go and wait for TV and radio that be. The media is the fastest right now in the world. Yeah. Before radio come my announcement, now media no post so the media is the fastest. Into Okon plug in Japan the Obone Juma, Papa no, or some of Ghana for Mummy Tieno, Ghana for Mummy fa or don't need Ghana ye na edia, or my penibia ba, Sevi, and penifobia ba, or money company Kuruma, or money share, and I will be saying, I will be a company who can't bit media there. And I say only Panokas as only Minyansa because presidency, you're sure about the head of him. You wait to my assassin so, and they said they are by the Eshon, sir. Or say, come a despot, and I am pray, and answer on pay politics. And Cocasso be the president, humanity. Because a Juma Papane Bio Cromwano, the Padudu Papani Chovocano. How many politicians in Ghana can do that? Apart from Ghana, Yakudi. So, a corporate cook in Japan there. Gods of the land have chosen him. So, any mortal. Think you say you want to challenge that man there, you will be disgraced big time and large. And they better how you have a
yeah, Sabo. My memory from na ya kosoro.
So he hit me. The one can't show no. On my home nigga. So no nke bi guda. Esa na o hit body no.
My memory kuma wood na from. Yeah, mommy Christian I wouldn't say oba bia like we see so person ko ware sikeni ene be ma na mbre na later no be ka say onya ne class. What do you say about it?
Good.
Do you agree with it?
I don't agree with this. But let me tell you one thing. If you are saying whatever happened to you in life, don't blame any mortal. The first you need to do is go and do a research. The reason why I same way they told me. The reason why I same way is Christian Awuni mechi no baby obi akuma wu star ba akopɛ they say Ghana Mama G no say Naija Mama G or no say Ghana Mama G eti Mama G akasa Ghana Mama G akasa otu no numu tuo. She was speaking from her past pain bi okomu because ono angasa no spiritual marriage edina bra boso from the infancy. Christian Awuni me say we mana ye tofie ye to ajapade e mana enye no kwampo asat Christian Awuni o hwe ne age say na wote now imagine the youth age mama de kromola ni bi no classic woman and so susu wiase ono ne papa fi ahohom ana ede ni bo speed de kwanbone so enti amani pa enye de ehu no say wo tie interview na o say atoso baako atoso mienu say atoso miensa de a ohun de obey na blabo obewu that means pains ewura na kuma mu emema bi atena kuma emana omo hwe emema ewa aware mu no ebi ni Christian wuni but so awale dia omafo ebe sorto no de bia mo feel big sanity. So she was speaking from her past pain and she was speaking from the way and no man ato na bra bono ka tell you to know but one can say ye and the one can say ye because Africa 80% are poverty beings. Yeah, my man, omo be wiase no munis can so omo wo ye. It is all the say you to the team say omo ko pay sikafo a. That means sikafo Ghana kwampo no mfa say 20%. Omo na so they have been taken already. If they are not be taking kwampo, they have concubines more than the head they wo ho. What they say? Etu chire mayo no kwambo ne. We asawe na wo chire nkola no hook up. It's a hook up. I upgrade ko asawe. That be say asawe and I upgrade ko hook up. First na can asawe.
One can say or safe.
And I make us say hook up no tie. Hook up afena aba first na ya asawe. They say asawe na ya upgrade say hook up no. I simple. The fastest word as say bibia. Enti Christian na woni dia mesere no. Sa asem no kan no. Offer chop amra bonten beto Ghana for nim. Na ye ento ye because majority of Ghanaians don't support her for saying that the young girls have to go and look for a rich man. How would you know say the man you are dating, the rich man can be a fraudster, the rich man can be a coke dealer, the rich man can be a thief, the rich man can be nobody, but obisi can a caretaker. At the end, you know, what's now about and in Guasia, abe follow generation and no family. So think, always go for the man with a vision. The man with a vision is the man who have a work. The man with a vision is the man who have an office. The man with a vision is the man who knows what to do in life. I have physical in light. I will be able. A small boni na chrono tuwe ya bono sumu. Asawo tuwe ya bono sumu. Koke business ya tono sumu. It's a de bia ya tono sumu no. Enye nyakopon adwuma no no. Eye nipa ni ye create because we want to be faster than the world and you can never be faster than the sun or the moon. Nanosi. Wow,
and ye oba Tracy. Ono so we or the ne passport abeto abontin ni hu say o wo akola na US nkrofo ba ahye no
say to
mo be na waye
o Ukrasini so Ukrasini
oh what did I be
so Ukrasini o Ukrasini mameka
what did I be Tracy
o Ukrasini Tracy buache o man o Ukrasini meka che ni plan atonso bionsi o Ukrasini de o yenya sabe ne wo people were born in America enya wo Ghana must go awakọ wo Ghana must go o Tracy buache onye full citizen of America. So I say, I'm out for Mukita green card or Mukita American book and Gasampuno or Munkasai. Now I call Uba, will be able to say, Uba or American, you own Aqualani or Modia. They know Canada Uba Hormasa. Part of the countries now Uba Hormia. You have to make sure say we are citizen and son it's what what tornado about passport and mawa. Now so we near assembly that because now I know tone a fire. And some be pia bonteno obi nkan kire no abrante nye ne kunu susu wi asitwesi buache one bedide frank bedide nye ne kunu they can date but they can't marry.
They are married.
Oh, they are married on land in the eyes of mortals, in the eyes of the masses, but susu wi aseno they are not married. So tumutan the separation will come on. It won't join crash no man away no. So I call over America. Now I'm our passport. Unim Ghana for Sebi ya wo mo ho no mo so be wo mo passport on from 2 million so. Passport here dey. Unko na oba o citizenship ana. Unko na oba ya wo America na. No, you crash same na Ghana for be here no. So we have to put sense in their head. Wa call wo ho no ma. You crash same me hu ya me bufu ye. Tracy Buache, Obi wa dining with ex-president Payne. You have to be a classic lady. Be a classic lady. Bring something important out. Come who is Tracy Buache or the company will be a company. Oh, Kumasi, a friend paper 4,000. Now I'm paying you about just a passport. For now, I'm to Cheney Queen.
But now at one God only me say mostly no. Who can't send be and seminal a demo. I dating na own stop it. I didn't from happening, but rather no one become omnesi.
Good.
No way.
Mameka Semitro say, gods of the land, when they are doing their dinner, because of I dining with them, you know, come I be catch them. Say they be see our land. And you'll be able to see a home with them, and a turkey amount for be honor. We can't stop it. By a bab on Tibet candy and a pewasem no. That means your choice to one or more. Some of can. That means you can't tell me here. Guda Ghana celebrity ebenya a year emodu
ebio
a year kesiye a year ebetutu abrimpon ebetutu politicians ebetutu attitude for sena Atsu de ne course no na before be see so no ye the scenario be ba bontam wo hu be free aba etinya aboche edaso sun wiase enye me na meka and the sea of the nation I can't stop it. So whatever is about to fall in Ghana and the world, we have to bring it out. So what I say you can say Poppy, your Poppy wo the wu ye no the otisu se sia no so sunsun wiase oda form Rome for benye yie Vatican to Vatican ibesi a ship de la Oliver Kahn on the first name of Oliver Kahn is also a ship de la I say Vatican to Vatican be the ebenye yie eti omo expecting now your bon pie say this time around a black man from Africa, any of the African country can also become a pope. Because for decades history, there are 3 blacks, but up to now you home picture here. Who go crown who it is soon be say me pack my choice or fight it now black is so and baby pope no ruling kakra because ni obebane there or the same baby we are say yen penisa
me pacho before I call them so mama little minute about Davido ne yire choma omo ibani wu ye na say menti omo nka Davido the darkness on Davido in free in the suye ebio
enti on 2 more and na Davido on it choma so no sunsun wiase confirmation e da ho omo benya e ba piki where it resemble the one he died. Stars will still come Davido's way because majority of the stars want to dine with him right now in the spiritual world. But he have to act fast.
He should do his things, put his things.
That is it. So Chuma is blessed.
Oh, they are fine.
Chuma is blessed. Okay. When I cross-checked the last time, Chuma is blessed. Everything will happen for her. So she have to keep on being the good lady she is to Davido. Obi Cubana for Nigeria, one of the biggest boy, one of the rich being, and one of the famed guy in Nigeria. Obi Cubana and Cubana chief priest. I think say they be cousins. The biggest darkness has fallen on these people. This kind of darkness, no amount of money go feed you what? Skip them. So I beg them, they should wake up and wise up. Obi Cubana should be smart about his security. The way he is smart in this world, Cubana should be smart about his security. I love that man so much. I love that guy so much. One of the smartest guy in Africa. Okay. And the thing he's doing, he got good heart. So I pray give him. Make he cross-check in the spiritual world. What is about to fall on Obi Cubana is a disgrace. And it will bring a lot of people into it. So Obi Cubana have to act fast and put things in places. Techno.
In Ghana.
Techno in Nigeria. Techno. In the spiritual world. They don't send some women, some ladies, beautiful ladies, say men they can't poison them.
They love women.
You know, I don't know say they love
women.
No, they send some ladies to come poison them.
Just that.
Anyhow, any form they would take Techno in life on this earth, they go do them. So Techno be one guy I follow in music, I love in music. So Techno have to be careful about the kind of woman that come close to him. Poison. And the way the food he eat and the water he drinks, he should be very vigilant about it. Because if anything happen to him, I won't forgive myself because that guy. So you mean
some ladies have been sent to come and poison him
from the spiritual world?
Anyway, anyhow.
Any form.
Spiritual, physical. So Techno should be very careful. Techno, please kindly call my man 0505 444413. I don't take the number give you.
So make an end down for there. Yeah. So these celebrities or these stars or these famed people, I just mentioned their name in Aja. May they not sleep on them. May them go cross-check at the Don't waste time. Because if any darkness like that for her, the biggest media or the biggest platform in the world will bring it out. You can't hide it from anybody. Good. Manosi ewo hono. Me da wase my brother so many day. Nipa ho djuma ne gods of the land ye do mu na ase. Kama ye da na ase. Otwediampon ye da na ase. Sa enetie enipa ina so omo Ghana ha na abrochi na ye do mu na ase. Omo support ye no sa na kama didi enso no. Omo support na enye large. O krumu ase sa netie. na yetimi embre accident bebre ase na poverty so yetimi kofom na yenya rich beings so join the perfume world and be rich and be successful. Now favor and locate you. Good luck and locate you in this world because